How to share products in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share the products. First of all, open the application. Now you can simply browse the product and simply directly search for the product. So here I'm tapping on one. So simply tap on the product item that you want to share with others. So this is the product item. Now in order to share it with others, here you can see this share icon. Simply tap on this share icon. Now you can directly copy the link and send it to others, or here on the bottom you can see different platforms that you can send into. So there are different social media platforms that you can directly send this product into. So this will create a link, and later your friends and the people will be able to view the product and know about the product. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.